Big and little animals. A gorilla is a big animal. Gorillas can walk, gorillas can run, and gorillas can jump. But gorillas can't swim. Gorillas snack on bananas. Yum, yum, yum. A crab is a little animal. Crabs can walk, crabs can run, and crabs can swim. But crabs can't jump. Crabs snack on plants and animals. Yum, yum, yum. A rabbit is a little animal. Rabbits can walk, rabbits can jump, and rabbits can run fast. But rabbits can't swim. Rabbits snack on carrots. Yum, yum, yum. An anaconda is a big animal. Anacondas can't walk. Anacondas can't run, and anacondas can't jump. But anacondas can swim fast. Anacondas snack on animals. Yum, yum, yum. Big and little animals.